Beat the parents. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first team to get their piece to the end. Divide into two teams, the kids versus the parents. Lay out the board and place the pieces on their matching start spots. The kids control the yellow piece and the parents the red. Each team writes their stake on the wager card for what their team will do if they lose. Place the wager card in the stand. Separate the challenge and question cards and shuffle each deck. The kids go first, then turns alternate. On your turn, the opposing team draws one question card and asks you the first question on it. Kids answer the kids' questions, and the parents answer the parent questions. Flip the timer. That team must answer the question within the time limit. If your team answers correctly, you move one space forward on your color track, then answer the next question. If you answer incorrectly, or you answer all three questions on the card, then your turn ends. Whenever you land on a challenge space, you must stop moving, even if you had more moves left. If it is your team's turn, you must discard your question card, whether you had answered all the questions on it or not, and draw a challenge card. Challenge cards are either head-to-head between a player from each team, or an all play, where all the players on both teams play. The team that wins the challenge card immediately moves the number of spaces indicated on the challenge card. If winning a challenge moves a team to another challenge space, then they must stop moving and immediately do the challenge. When a piece reaches the final challenge space, that team must stop and can only advance to the win space by winning a challenge. The first team to reach the win space wins the game and the wager.